Hello, dear friends. Today, in this morning, I'm very much excited to share with you the real attributes of a great human being. A human being is enlightened, he is wise, he has a definite purpose, backed by a burning desire, he has a definite plan of action to accomplish his task, his purpose, and he makes decision very promptly. He is always energetic, enthusiastic, he has personal initiative, he is willing to go extra mile, he always trusts his people and make mastermind alliance partners because he knows very well no one can succeed in life without the cooperation of great people. He always have a pleasing personality. He always has a pleasing personality, winning personality, a magnetic personality. He has a positive mental attitude, means he is never pessimistic, rather he is very much optimistic, and he always see a silver tint in the clouds of doubt and fear. He always have hopes. He always have a burning desire for achieving great goals in life to serve the mankind. He cherish his vision, he cherish his ideal. He cherish the lofty dreams, and he always strive to seek and find the various means and ways to attain it. These are some of the great attributes of great leaders. But for the leaders, the world could not have been so well advanced and so well developed. The leaders are in every walk of life. There can be scientific leaders, there can be business leaders in the material world, there can be intellectual leaders, and there can be leaders in a spiritual world. But all these leaders have only one purpose: to live for others, to die for others, to make this planet Earth a smart planet where there is peace, love and non-violence. And such great leaders always feel that the happiness of the mankind is their prime goal. So they give different ideas, different paths, different facilities. They conquered time and space. They enlighten them. They show them the path. They become the lamp. They become the sheltering rock in the storms of the suffering, sorrows and grief. They become the shade-giving trees in the shadows of sorrows and the scorching of worries, anxieties. They really encourage people to have a pure heart, to vision the world, to view the world in the real sense, the proper understanding. They always encourage the people to really dwell in purity of mind, heart and soul. They always enlighten the people that the thought in the mind will make them. Whatever they are thinking, they will become. They always understand that with their noble thought, they can make a noble world. Means they enlighten the people to really become great and happy and successful and peaceful. There will be no wanting. There will be lacking nothing in their life. These people are really the savior of the earth. They have complete discipline, self-control and balanced mind. These people really understand that the life is a journey, and the journey has to be very pleasant. So they are always very conscious about every word they speak and every thought they harbor during their mind, and accordingly their behavior, action, effort everything is controlled and guided. They are the noble people, they are the great people. They are the people who made the earth so smart, the society so civilized. They are our real lamp in the darkness of ignorance, selfishness, greed. They can only lead us from darkness to light. The basic purpose of every mankind is to become a such great leader. Beloved friends, they lift the downtrodden, they wipe the tear from every eyes. They really encourage people to be brave, valiant, courageous. They motivate and inspire people to take the bull by the horn, to take the reverses, oppositions, adverse circumstances bravely, with optimism. They have the courage, they have the determination, they have the willpower, and they have the dog grip, bulldog grip. Anything they want and desire in life, they never stop until they achieve such great things in their life. In that context, I always dream to be a great leader. Yes, it is you who will decide what you want to be, and nobody has right to tell you. And once you think big, people will ridicule you, they will criticize you, and they will think that you are just a dreamer. But they do not know the dreamers are the savior of the world. But for the dreamers, the world could not have been so beautiful. Beloved friends, dreams are the seedling of reality. The greatest and the highest achievement of mankind was a dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream lofty dreams, and as you dream, so shall you become. Dream to be a leader, a healer, a lifter, a savior of the mankind. In whatever callings and areas you may be dwelling, try to excel. Achieve the ability and capability to be serviceable, honorable, and respectable. And all the worlds are for men to conquer and to rule, but its stringent laws are that you must school yourself, must train yourself, must develop the traits of great leaders, emulate them, and practice in life. And immortality is yours. The kingdom of knowledge and wisdom, and name, fame, love, fortune will shower on you. But you are selfless. You don't have any greed. You don't have any anticipation for being compensation. You enjoy their happiness, whom you have loved, cared, shared, encouraged, and motivated. Beloved friends, in that context, I have always loved one poem which is in the form of a lyric which I have taken from a Hindi film, Badal, which was published in 1966, released in 1966, that really stimulated my heart and soul and mind. Please forgive me for singing this song in Hindi. I will translate it in English. This song is revealing the great secret of a brave man, a character man, a real hero. A hero is really with a temper who always seek, strive, and find the different ways to serve the mankind selflessly, and he never ceases to stop unless he attain his goal. In that context, this song will be really very stimulating, very inspiring, and here I go. I love it, And I tell you, the people who understand Hindi, they will be really very much inspired to hear this beautiful song. खुद गर्ज दुनिया में ये इंसान की पहचान है, जो पराई आग में जल जाए वो इंसान है। खुद गर्ज दुनिया में ये इंसान की पहचान है, जो पराई आग में जल जाए वो इंसान है। अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, ए तू जिए दिल जमाने के लिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए। बाजार से जमाने के कुछ भी ना हम खरीदेंगे, बाजार से जमाने के कुछ भी ना हम खरीदेंगे। हाँ, बेच के खुशी अपनी लोगों के गम खरीदेंगे, हाँ बेच के खुशी अपनी लोगों के गम खरीदेंगे। बुझते दिए जलाने के लिए, बुझते दिए जलाने के लिए, तुझे ये दिल जमाने के लिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए। अपनी खुदी को जो समझा उसने खुदा को पहचाना, अपनी खुदी को जो समझा उसने खुदा को पहचाना। आज़ाद फितरत इंसान अंदाज क्यों भुला जाना, आज़ाद फितरत इंसान अंदाज क्यों भुला माना। सर ये नहीं झुकाने के लिए, सर ये नहीं झुकाने के लिए, तुझे ये दिल जमाने के लिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए। हिम्मत बुलंद है अपनी, पत्थर सी जान रखते हैं, हिम्मत बुलंद है अपनी, पत्थर सी जान रखते हैं। कदमों तले जमी तो क्या हम आसमान रखते हैं, कदमों तले जमी तो क्या हम आसमान रखते हैं। गिरते हुओं को उठाने के लिए, तुझे ये दिल जमाने के लिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए। चल आफताब लेकर चल, चल आफताब लेकर चल, चल माहताब लेकर चल, चल आफताब लेकर चल, चल माहताब लेकर चल। तू अपनी एक ठोकर में 100 इनकलाब लेकर चल, तू अपनी एक ठोकर में 100 इनकलाब लेकर चल। जुल्म सितम मिटाने के लिए, जुल्म सितम मिटाने के लिए, तुझे ये दिल जमाने के लिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।